Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to design an ebook cover on Canva. So this is our Canva interface. Just click on this plus menu button, then you search your ebook cover, then you click on the search button, click on the first one that you see, ebook cover, click on it. Then Canva is going to read out what we're going to design for us. Let's wait for it to load. So these are some templates. These are some templates that we can use. Wow, I love money. So I think I'm going to use this. Yes, this is very simple. So I'm going to use this to customize my own ebook cover photo now. So I'm just going to change the name here now. Click on edit. No, look the name. Edit name. So come to this, clean the name. Now I'm going to put in my name there. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to put it up very well. Use this arrow to put it here, and I'm going to resize it a little. So just resize it a little and drag it further away to make your design more okay. You can see I love this one right here, so I'm not going to change anything here. So this is it. I'm just going to change all this person here now. Click on this here. There's one now. I'm going to click on this. Okay, let's click on this now to put my name there too. Okay, you can edit anything here, and this is it now. This is it. You can see this is it. Just click on this to drag it down a little. Okay, you can see if you look at this one now, the names have moved from this element. Just click on the element too, and you move it back down to go and meet the name very easily. And this is it. And how good is it? I'm done. If you want to add any other things there, you can add it. If you want to add gallery, I'm going to add something from our gallery here. Let's look for something to add. Okay, let's say, okay, workbook survey. Let's see something I'm talking here. Okay, so I'm going to add this love auto page. Okay, so I'm going to put it here now. You can see I want to duplicate this to all four sides, so just click on this, then you click on this duplicate, and you can put it here. Just use the hand to do it very well. You can see this one too. Click on hand to okay. I want to make it close, and this one too, a little more close. Just drag it. Click on this, drag it. Okay, so this one too, click on it. This one too, let's click. I'm not copying anything, just click on it, then you drag it. Okay, this is it. You can see. Let's do this one for a while again. Another name. This one. Drag it. Okay, this is nice. This one too. Drag it. Okay, so I want to duplicate again. Just click on this and duplicate, and I want to bring it here. Yes, let me see. It is okay. Let me duplicate again. I will put it beside here too. Okay. So I want to call this, just click on this, you crop this one up like this. You can see I don't want to cover that money, so I just want to use this one alone. This one too I want to copy it, so there's it. I'll just copy it like this. I want to make it more long, just drop it like this, and you crop it like this, put it far away like this, you can see. Then you crop it down. This is it. Okay, I love what I'm seeing. All right, just click on this to see. Oh, this is it. And this is how you can create your ebook. You can add, you can remove, and anything there. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and comment.